Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a really quick eye look, and we are going to be demoing and reviewing the new VG26 lipstick by MAC Cosmetics and Rosalia. If you guys are curious about what my thoughts are and if you want to see this quick little look, let's go. Alright guys, so on my skin I have on my Studio Fix Fluid in NC40 as well as the Studio Fix powder. I have on Bright Forecast to correct my dark circles. I went in with my Pro Longwear concealer in NC40. And in terms of my bronzer, highlighter, and blush, it's from a holiday palette from last year. And you guys can't get it, so I'm sorry. To prime my lids, I went in with my Lane Low Paint Pot. And now I'm going to go in with soft brown eyeshadow. And I'm going to take this color and just run it through the crease, and then I'm going to bring that up just a little bit towards the inner part of my eyebrow. For my lids, I'm going to be using this Copper Thorn gel liner. Obviously you guys can't get this. This was limited edition. I'm sorry. So I'm going to take a little bit of this. I'm going to apply it with a flat brush, and I'm just going to lightly apply this all over my lid. I really wanted to go with something that was like just a little more on the sparkly side, but I don't want to go with anything that's like really crazy. I was actually looking for one of their Dazzle shadows and I can't find it, so I found this and I'm like, yeah, this will do. Alright guys, and this is what this looks like on the lid. It's just very soft and pretty. I'm going to go ahead and do liner, and we'll come back and we will play with the star of the show. Alright guys, so I went ahead and just did a little wing, and I didn't take it all the way in. I started from mid-eye and then just created my wing. So today's look was motivated and inspired by Viva Glam 26, VG26, which was a collaboration with Rosalia, who is one of my favorite artists ever. If you guys don't know who she is a Latin artist whose music is a fusion of like flamenco, urban, Latin vibes, and she is incredibly talented and stunning. So when I saw that she was collaborating with MAC, I was super excited, and then when I read that it was like an orangey red shade, I was even more excited. So enough chit chatter, let me show you guys what the color looks like. We're going to apply it and then I'll give you guys the details. Here you have it guys, VG26, and as you guys can see, it is a beautiful orangey red. I absolutely love this color. So for those of you that don't know, MAC has always had So for those of you that don't know, since the 90s, MAC has always had a line of lipsticks where all the sales from this lipstick line would go towards their AIDS program, which is an organization that helps people affected by HIV/AIDS. Currently, they've raised $500 million through the sales of these lipsticks, and they used to have permanent shades. I remember it was 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and then they would have limited edition lines with celebrities or other public figures. Recently I noticed that you can only purchase 1, 2, and 5. So 1 is a brick red, 2 is a beautiful neutral nude pink, and 5 is a soft berry nude. Those are the lipsticks that they keep on rotation that you can purchase, and every holiday they come out with a palette or something in collaboration with their Viva Glam line that you can purchase. So this year they collaborated with Rosalia, and the shade that she selected is stunning. They are currently celebrating their 26th year, and they have done amazing work. So they have always been on the front line of AIDS awareness and prevention, and they do incredible work. So let's to that. This lipstick retails for $19. It's their standard black packaging, but any Viva Glam lipstick always has a red casing for the bullet, and it has the MAC logo in red. This shade is an orangey red. It's described to be fiery, and it's meant to inspire strength and make you feel good about wearing it. I mean, I do. And it's really beautiful. It's described to be a matte, but I would say that it isn't one of their retro mattes, which can be a little dry. This is a comfortable matte. It does transfer, and truth be told, when you apply it and you look at it, it does look like there's a little bit of a sheen to it, so it isn't a solid matte. It isn't a solid matte. It does have a little bit of a sheen. And the other thing I would tell you guys is, if you blot it, you do get that matte look, and you also end up having this stained lip. It is beautiful. You don't ever have to worry about it looking patchy or uneven or feel uncomfortable. It is a very comfortable lipstick. I had it on yesterday and it wore evenly. Like I said, it does transfer, so if you're eating or drinking, you will see some transfer. But overall, I really do enjoy this lipstick and this color, and I think they did a beautiful job. If you have this on your wish list, I would tell you guys, get it, pick up a backup. It is beautiful, and it is one of those shades that will complement any skin tone. So for me, it's a thumbs up. I hope that you guys enjoyed this. Please be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. I do upload 3 videos a week, and I don't want you guys to miss any of them. And leave me a comment down below letting me know, are you picking this up? Are you passing? What are your thoughts on it? I personally really love it. Thank you guys so much, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.